Now I am going to discuss the factors affecting loudness of a sound. The first factor is the distance between the source of sound and listener or observer. Okay. When the distance between the source of sound and the observer increases, the loudness of the sound received by the observer decreases. Okay. Here in the diagram, this is the source of sound and two observers, observer A and observer B. Observer A is close to the source, whereas observer B is far away from the source. Okay, so in this situation, observer A observes a loud sound. Okay, but observer B observes faint sound. Because of the change in distances between the source and the observers. Observe the distance between the source and the observer A is less than the distance between the source and the observer B. Okay, so that the observer A observes a loud sound. Okay, and observer B observes faint sound. Now the second factor is the surface area of the vibrating body. Okay, and it is seen that greater the surface area, louder the sound. Okay, when the surface area increases, loudness of the sound produced increases. Okay, as an example, when we compare the sound produced by tabla and drum. Okay, tabla has a smaller surface area of membrane as compared to the drum. Drum has greater surface area of membrane. Okay, when the drum is beaten, a louder sound is produced as compared to the tabla. Okay, so it proves that when the surface area increases, the loudness of the sound produced increases. Okay, so this is the second factor. Note down. Now come to this question, that is, two waves of frequencies 256 Hz and 288 Hz respectively have the same amplitude. What is the ratio of loudness produced by the waves? Okay, since we know that the loudness of a sound is directly proportional to the amplitude of the vibrating body, and the loudness is independent of the frequency. Whatever be the frequency, it only depends on the amplitude of the vibrating body. Okay, and in the question it is given the amplitude is same for both the waves. So when the amplitude is same, then the ratio will be 1:1. Okay, so the amplitude of wave 1 to the amplitude of wave 2 is equals to 1:1. Why? Because both having same amplitude, and loudness is only depends on the amplitude. Now come to the next question. Two sounds of same frequency have their amplitudes in the ratio of 1:2. Which sound is louder and why? Okay, loudness is nothing to do with frequency, it is independent of frequency. So, and amplitudes are given in the ratio of 1:2. So the amplitude of sound 1 to amplitude of sound 2 is given 1:2. 1:2. Okay. So since we know that the loudness of a sound is directly proportional to amplitude. Okay. And from the ratio, it is clear that amplitude of the second sound is more than that of the first one. Okay. So from this relation, we can write the loudness of second sound is more than that of the first one. Okay. The loudness of sound 2 is more than that of the sound 1. Okay. Why? Because the amplitude of the second sound is more than that of the first one. Okay. And we know that the loudness is directly proportional to amplitude. Higher the amplitude, higher will be the loudness. So the loudness of sound 2 is more than that of the sound 1. Okay. So this is the answer.